introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim Suresh, but you can call me Ibra. I'd like to take this opportunity to discuss smoking on campus and explain my Canva presentation on the present continuous tense. First, I'll share my opinions on smoking on campus and what the university should do to prevent all students from smoking on campus. Then, I'll continue with my presentation on the present continuous tense. I hope this presentation is helpful. So, let's start with the first topic, smoking on campus. Opinions on smoking on campus. I believe that smoking should be banned on campus because it's an educational environment that should support a healthy lifestyle. This can disrupt student comfort, health, and concentration while studying or engaging in activities on campus. By limiting or prohibiting smoking, the campus can create a cleaner, safer, and more comfortable atmosphere. If students or staff smoke, the campus can provide designated smoking areas in designated areas to avoid disturbing others. This way, the right of smokers are respected without disrupting the comfort and health of other campus residents. In conclusion, smoking on campus should be restricted to maintain health, comfort, and a conducive learning environment. Secondhand smoke can be detrimental to many parties, especially non-smokers. So ideally, campuses should implement smoke-free policies. However, to respect smokers' right, the appropriate solution is to provide designated smoking areas to maintain campus cleanliness, health, and orders. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will present on present continuous tense. Based on the presentation I have prepared. Let's start with a brief introduction about myself and the topic. What is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is a verb from used to describe an action that is currently happening or in progress right now in the present. Its characteristic is the addition of ing at the end of the verb. It differs from other tenses as it focuses on ongoing activities, not completed or future ones. Present continuous tense formula: positive from subject plus be or am or are or s plus verb 1 in plus complement. Negative from subject plus be or am or are or is plus not plus verb 1 in plus complement. Interrogative form be or am or is or are plus subject plus verb 1 in plus complement. Simple example: she is reading a book. Use of present continuous tenses. 1. Things that are happening now. Use it to describe action currently is in progress. Example: she is reading a romance novel right now. She is reading a romance novel right now. 2. Temporary event. For event that occur over a long period but only temporarily. Example: she is upgrading her computer skill at the moment. She is upgrading her computer skill at the moment. Talk about the action around the time of speaking. For activities occurring around the time of conversation. Example, Rara is taking 3 classes this semester. Rara taking 3 classes this semester. 4. A noun, pattern or habit. To highlight the contrast between old and new. Example, this day people are reading email a lot less than they used to. Today people are writing emails a lot less than they used to. 5. Future plans. To talk about the finite plans happening in the near future. Example, when we arrive at the airport, we are taking a private car direct to the hotel. When we arrive at the airport, we are taking a private car direct to the hotel. What are present continuous tense sentences? Example of present continuous in negative sentences. I am not watching TV right now. I am not watching TV right now. She is not listening to music at the moment. She is not listening to music at the moment. They are not playing video game at the moment. They are not playing video game at the moment. He is not eating lunch right now. He is not eating lunch right now. We are not swimming in the pool at the moment. We are not swimming in the pool at the moment. Example of sentences is positive sentences. I am reading a letter to my friend. She is reading a book in the park. They are playing football on the field. He is cooking dinner for us. We are studying for the exam tomorrow. Example of present continuous tense sentence in interrogative. Are you watching a movie right now? Is he studying for the test tomorrow? Are they playing basketball in the park? Is he listening to music right now? Are we going to the party tonight? We can present continuous tense be used. The not used is for events that occur normally, repeatedly, or over a long period of time. Wrong example. I am going to school every day. Many verbs cannot be used in the tense because they are static verbs. Static verbs which do not describe action or movement. Categories. Category of stative verbs: verb action and sensation, hear, taste, smell, see, sound, cognition, emotion, attitude, love, hate, adore, doubt, like, forget, anger, desire. Having and paying, we have, to, cause, require, belong, include. Stand, sit, stand, lie, live, life, face. Other static verbs like contain, involve, concise. Verbs that count in adding. Verbs of talk. Types of verbs expressing opinions or five sense, such as feel, notice, taste, smell. Wrong example. This cupcake is tasting sweet and sour. Correct. This cupcake tastes sweet and sour. Verb of possession. Types of verb expressing ownership should as have or has on or was. Wrong example. He is owning a house. Correct. He owns a house. Verbs of emotion. Verbs expressing feelings related to emotion such as admire, fear, like, prefer, need, want, wise. Wrong example. Hamida is needing some advice. Correct. Hamida needs some advice. Conclusion and thank you. To summarize, present continuous tense is very useful for describing ongoing action, but avoid using it for stative verbs or routine habits. Thank you for your attention.